Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has power and background tasks are minimal. This reduces interruptions. Then press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears. Once visible, press and hold the power off option. This invokes the safe mode prompt. You will see a confirmation. Accept it to reboot into safe mode. Doing this prevents third-party apps from loading, so you can diagnose issues without uninstalling things blindly. Once done, the device reboots and you should see safe mode in the corner, which confirms only system apps are running. Now systematically open the apps or reproduce the issue to check whether a third-party app caused it. If a misbehaving app is identified, go to Settings, then Apps, locate the app and uninstall or force stop it. This removes the cause without a factory reset. Make sure to note which app caused the problem before rebooting normally. To finish, simply restart the phone to exit safe mode and return to normal operation. That restores all third-party apps. If the problem persists after exiting, clear the system cache or remove recently installed apps. When necessary, back up data and perform a factory reset. If the phone fails to leave safe mode or keeps crashing, boot into recovery mode to run diagnostics or contact the manufacturer support for deeper repairs. One quick troubleshooting tip. Reboot once more after uninstalling suspected apps before deciding on a reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.